Hey guys, this is Jake with Xidax. Today we have a super chill video. We have two brand new 4090 GPUs here from MSI. Super excited to take a look at these. Now we just gotta decide which one to start with. We have the Supreme X 4090 and we have the Supreme X Liquid. This one I'm really curious to look at. So I'd say we look at this card first. Let's go ahead and unbox it, check it out. Ooh. Killing it with the packaging on this guy. Oh. Guys, if you buy the Supreme X, you get a mouse mat with it. That's pretty cool. We'll make sure to include that in your goodies bag with every Xidax system that comes with the Supreme. So let's check this out. We got our 3 8-pin to 16-pin adapter in the box as well. And we also have a pretty nice looking GPU bracket there, just to hold up the card. That will probably come separately, so you can put that in your system when you open it up. Alrighty, let's check out the card itself. Dun, 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 dun. With any luck, I won't drop it. Wow, look at that, guys. This card looks like has some really nice RGB accents on it. Excited to see this lit up. That backplate is beautiful as well. Wow, look at that. Alrighty. It's a fantastic looking card. And if you guys want, let me know in the comments. We'd be happy to do a benchmarking video on these two cards. And as always, if you do buy a card from us, it comes with a lifetime parts and labor warranty. So let's go ahead and put that aside for now. And let's check out the Liquid. Now this one's I'm really excited to see. It's a RTX 4090 with a 240 AIO cooler built onto the card. So that'll just mount in the system as well. Again, beautiful unboxing experience. And this one comes with a mouse mat too. That's pretty cool. Okay. So a lot more substance to this packaging. Looks like we got the card on top here. And same 3-pin connector. And no GPU brace on this guy. I'm gonna show you why that is. Okay. So let's pull up these anesthetic bags real quick. Very cool. So it comes pre-installed, 2 fans as well. They seem to be very high quality. If you do order this card with custom fans, we will absolutely put those custom fans on this card as well for you. Okay. Now let's take a look at this card. Super clean, and probably my favorite part of this versus this 4090 right here is the thickness of the card itself. That's a 2-slot card, so that's gonna fit in a lot of different cases as long as they can accommodate the AIO. Looks like we have a cooling fan on the card itself too. It's probably just to cool some of the VRAM components. Super clean. Got some gold accents on it as well. All right, guys. Yeah, let us know in the comments below if you want to see these cards benchmarked compared to some of the other models like the PNY, the Strix. Let us know. We'd be happy to do that for you. Maybe we'll even do it live. Go to Xidax.com and configure your system today with some brand new 4090s with the Supreme X and the Supreme X Liquid here, and they will come with a lifetime parts and labor warranty no matter which card you buy. So go to Xidax.com right now.